CBS 17's Dina Harley joins us live from one rest stop along Interstate 40.
Hey, Dina, you talked to a lot of folks today. I bet a lot of them are running into some issues out there on the roads, right?
Yeah, they really are. Drivers really just trying to get to their family and friends safely. But Rod, you said it, a lot of them hitting some issues here in North Carolina because of this weather we've been seeing today. They're hoping that as they get a bit further north, things get a little bit better.
We're going to Charlottesville, Virginia, where our son is located.
I'm heading to Allentown, Pennsylvania.
We're heading back to Southern Maryland, where I hear it's pretty cold there, too.
Thousands of people heading north for the holidays.
It usually takes about 15 hours driving time.
But Thursday's rain and wind made the drive a bit of a headache for some drivers.
It's been a little rough here and there.
It's terrible today.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just slow and stop and go, and the rain is terrible. We have 3 accidents.
Despite a winter storm expected to impact many northern destinations, including Chicago and Detroit, and extreme cold temperatures stretching all the way to Pennsylvania, travelers we spoke with say they're not too worried about what they'll run into, but they're still prepared.
We have a lot of clothes, blankets, we have food.
You have to expect the unexpected with the bad weather and take your time. Just arrive home safe.
North Carolina Department of Transportation officials say if you don't have to travel over the next few days, don't. But if you have to get behind the wheel,
take it easy, take it nice and slow, give yourself plenty of time wherever you're going, kind of keep aware of your surroundings, keep a good distance between you and the car ahead of you.
Those extra precautions could make the difference between a happy holiday with your loved ones.
Our son is now 44 years old, and we've never missed a Christmas with him, so got to keep it up.
Now, Department of Transportation officials say that they didn't really prep the roads for this because there was no snow forecasted, but they do say that if any of that changes, they'll adjust their plans. In Johnson County, Dina Harley, CBS 17 News.
Everybody's got to look out for everybody else. All right, Dina, thank you very much.